Hey, what's going on, guys? Crypto Shoney here with another cryptocurrency video for you. I just want to start this video by saying I have created a Facebook group. It's kind of hard to see all the questions in the comments in YouTube, and Facebook lends itself a little bit better to doing that. So I created a group. It's called Crypterra Official. I will put the link down in the description as well as the comments below. So feel free to hop in here. It's brand new. There's barely any members. But I think this will be a good forum to get kind of real-time chats going, as in YouTube, the comments are a bit clunky when you're trying to have a conversation. So with that, the intent of this video is to talk about some of the delays yesterday. I got a lot of questions and comments. Is the website down? Did they do an exit scam? What's going on? The website's working fine now, and actually it seems about twice as fast. So that leads me to believe that they did some either scheduled or unscheduled maintenance yesterday and increased their server capacity to support all these new users. And it's working fine for me now. Withdrawals were working just fine yesterday for me. I did my first Ethereum withdrawal, and since Ethereum wallets are disabled, I did it to Bitcoin. That went through with no problems. Got confirmed on the network pretty fast, just like the rest of them. And of course, this page isn't going to load. But again, I've got two more pending, another Ethereum and a Bitcoin. They're being batched right now by Crypterra before they get sent off to the network. So I know a lot of people were worried yesterday. The page would just load blank. And when that happens, keep clicking refresh, because I would do that, and after like the second or third time it would pop up. So I think it was some sort of a sporadic outage as they were doing an upgrade. Now, I wish they would be more transparent, put something on their Facebook or their Twitter pages saying, hey, we're experiencing technical delays, and also put up a banner on your website saying, under maintenance, so people just don't freak out when they see a blank page or a server error. So again, the transparency isn't always the best, but it still seems to be working for me. Unfortunately, I didn't have a chance to make a video yesterday, so I did skip a day, but I'll get back into the swing of things starting today. Now, my numbers have gone up pretty drastically here, thanks to you guys. So I want to say thank you to everyone who uses my referral link. I will continue to put that down in the description and in the comments. I started with 60 terahash, and you've seen I have not reinvested anything. I've been taking all my profits until I break even, but I'm up to 74 terahash, and someone purchased a lot of Ethereum. I'm up to 164 megahash here. So again, I really appreciate you guys supporting me in this channel. It means everything to me. So one last thing, if you are planning to take advantage, see right here, here's a good example. Like, I click on that link, oh no, but if you just go up here and hit enter, it'll load. So it's a caching problem. I think it caches these pages, so don't get too worried, just refresh. But so the promotion does end tomorrow, January 10th, which is 23:59, so 11:59 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, which for me, I'm in Central Time Zone. That's basically 6 o'clock at night. So depending on where you live, make sure you know if you're planning to do an upgrade or a first purchase tomorrow, be sure to take this time into effect, because 30% will go away. However, as far as I know, the 10% coupon is still working. The Happy 2018, that should take 10% off of any of these plans, irrespective of how many hashes you get. So keep that in mind as well. And that's something on the Facebook page I plan to keep updated, is what are the known working coupon codes, so everyone can get in there and kind of see what the known codes are and use those. I think that's pretty much it today. I just wanted to just do a quick review of the website. It is working. It is way faster. I mean, going from from page to page is much quicker. Like that right there would have taken a couple seconds before. If I go to my withdrawals, that's really fast as compared to what it was before. So just be patient with the website. They are getting a lot of new users. One question I did get was, why don't I see an Ethereum option or a different option for a wallet? And so basically all you will have is the Bitcoin wallet until you have hashing power for a different coin. So as you can see, I have hashing power for all four, so I have 4 spots for these addresses. But any of them, I believe, you can do from Ethereum, Zcash, or Litecoin into Bitcoin if you so choose, or you can do one-to-one. Of course, Ethereum is still disabled. So I think that's pretty much it for today, guys. Just the last thing is I have been in some forums and in some of these groups, and there's a lot of people, frustrated that their hashing power is delayed. It's not posted to their account. I did see a screenshot, and I've actually sent a Facebook message myself, and I haven't gotten a response. But when I do, I'll post it here. That said, the support teams are working it. They just hired more people to help out, and they're working on the older tickets because it looked like they had been kind of jumping around. So again, if I get a response, I will post it here. I hope I have their ear, just because I've promoted them so well, and a lot of you guys have seen this and gotten interested. So with that, that's all I have today, guys. I'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one, guys. See ya.